Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up Shopify social sharing preview in Shopify. So go to shopify.com and log into your account. On the dashboard, click on Online Store, then click on Preferences. So inside the Preferences tab, scroll down until you find Social Sharing Image and SEO. On the image part, this image is what shows up when someone shares your store link on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or any other social media sites. Shopify recommends using an image of this size right here, which works best for social previews. Let's add an image. Basically, upload a horizontal image, usually a banner, logo, or branded cover image. This image helps represent your store when links are shared online. Now go to the right side and you'll see homepage title and meta description. Enter a clear and simple title for your store on the homepage title. Then write a short description that explains what your store is about. Make sure to include relevant keywords because this helps with visibility on search engines and social platforms. Once everything is set, click on Save. Then your social sharing preview is now ready. Lastly, go back to your online store and click on Themes right here. Choose the Customize or Edit theme. Now look for your social media or footer section. Inside the footer settings, scroll down and look for theme setting. Right here, in this part, add your social media links. This helps connect your store to your social account. After adding the links, click on Save, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.